Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials, although today may not be cruelty-free because I don't know how much of your stuff.
Probably zero.
Anyway, so today we've got my bestie over here. Put your face in the camera. And we're going to be doing the Makeup Roulette challenge. So this is all because we saw, well, I saw. You don't know any makeup YouTubers, do you? Besides me.
Yeah, I don't wear makeup ever. So we're very opposite people.
Yeah, literally. So we'll put the link below to Nikki Tutorial's Makeup Roulette challenge. But basically, we're going to do a challenge. We've got like a little popcorn thing here and a whole bunch of challenges. And we're going to pick like 3 each. And then, yeah, we're going to have fun and do these challenges. So if you want to see how we do this challenge, then keep on watching. So I think let's start with primer and foundation. So foundation. Okay, cool. So we're going to start with our, for me, primer and foundation, and for you, foundation.
It's like when you ask at a restaurant to bring a starter and a main course at the same time. It's the same thing.
Pretty much. Oh, it's true. Okay, so our setting's a little bit different today. We're at Ash's place. So I stayed over last night and drank lots. So I think that's why I was red.
And very dehydrated.
Yeah. Okay, so I literally put my makeup in this huge ass bag because I wasn't going to bring anything. So I'm just going to dig around.
This is my makeup bag.
Is that everything?
Yep.
Ashley's so cute. She literally though does try a little bit.
I've been learning a lot from their channel.
Yeah.
Like the 5-minute makeup challenge one.
She does it in 2. So let's just we're going to just pick our challenges first. Okay, so you pick one. What have you got?
Left-handed.
Okay.
So I'm going to put my base on with my left hand.
Yes, okay. Friend picks eyeshadows.
Okay.
So you've got to choose like 2 or 3 colours, and then I've got to try and do an eye look with those colours.
You put 3 colours on your eyes.
No, like on average I probably put like 6 colours on my eye.
I only have like 3 colours in my whole palette.
Okay, so pick another one.
Oh, okay.
Ooh,
that's inconvenient.
sorry, it's my mom. Hello, Ju. We just say hello to YouTube while you weren't here because me and Ash are filming a video. She says hello, YouTubers. How are you?
6.5 hours later.
Okay, love you.
It's really dark. You have to be very brave. I'm not brave enough to wear that out there.
Bye. My mom says hello.
Hi.
Okay, Ashley was reading out to. Okay.
No brushes.
So you're live, basically. Okay. Talking while doing lipstick.
But she does that anyway.
No, but you can't like stop. You have to be like, so how did that? And then you put like, see how accurate you can get like red lipstick on. It's funny. If you want to challenge yourself.
No mirror. That's
finally, yes.
That's my life as well.
Oh no, guess what I got? Let's swap makeup products.
I reckon use Ashley's eyeshadow palette. And then she picks your colour.
Why are you trying to ruin my life?
Hey, you're the makeup artist, you need to be challenged.
What about this?
What is it?
It's liquid eyeliner that's not liquid anymore.
Yes.
So it was hard.
I don't know, I don't use it.
What can I do with this? Okay, give me something that's not frozen.
I have a very dark foundation that I should bring out. This one will work. This one is quite dark. I don't even wear it. It's very dark.
So can't I sheer it out?
No.
I have to try.
You have to use it as it comes. It says. What does it say?
Swap.
There we go.
Oh, it's the last one.
Only using lipstick.
So one of your steps you only...
For like blush?
Yeah. You can only use a
my
lipstick. But that's easy.
Yeah. So let's
framed.
review the challenges. Okay, so I got Ashley has to pick something for me, swap something with me. She's given me these neon eyeshadows. Anyway, so I can add my own eyeshadows to this though, right?
Nope. It's swapping makeup.
So, but there's no shimmer. It's just all matte. Okay. So I'll be doing all my eyes with this. And then I've got talking while doing lipstick. And you must pick the colours you're going to use.
I disagree. I think that because Jodie forgot her whole makeup, what's this thing called? Eyeshadow palette.
I forgot to draw up eyeshadow palettes, but I still have loads of
As
stencils.
penalty,
I
she
could
gets
make a
the
whole
neon.
palette.
But for swapping, she gets my BB cream.
Okay, but then I get to shear this down or add in shimmers or do something with it. Agreed.
Oh, my challenges. I forget.
Only using lipstick for your blush.
That's for my, only using this lipstick is for my blush. No mirror is for my eyeshadow. I'm putting eyeliner on with my left hand. And no brushes is for my eyebrows.
Well done.
Step 1, open the lid of the container. Step 2, put the thing in the thing.
You've had the same
Put it on
sponge.
your thing.
Hey, haven't you? For 12 years probably.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and find something to like shear this out, I think, to give me a bit more light and glow. So I'm gonna be using Catrice Light Correcting Serum Primer, and I'm gonna mix it in with Ashley's BB cream. This is horrible.
It's so dark for you.
I'm done.
Oh, and it stings. On camera it doesn't look so bad. In person, I would never go off that. This is what I aspire to look like after I tan. Oh, it stinks. It stinks so bad. Okay, cool. So what's the next step? What are you doing?
I'm going to do my eyebrows with no brushes.
Okay, and I guess I'm going to highlight because I'll still let it contour a bit. Maybe I can just bronze up slightly.
When are you going to do your eyebrows?
Hey?
When you do your eyebrows?
At the last. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight because I feel like I'm dark now.
Oh my lordy. One.
Yours. Let's see.
Done.
Let's see. Oh, a half reader. Look like a sad clown. So I'm going to do my eyebrows using the other girl Shady Sun Brow like I always do in Black's Brown. And I will do that and be right back. Okay, next. Eyeshadow.
Blush for me. But I'm using lipstick. So for
Yeah.
Jodie's eyeshadow, I need to choose it. Yeah?
Yeah.
So this is the palette. So I think I'm going to choose the
Yeah.
lime green and yellow one.
Of course. Is that it?
Oh,
Can you choose more?
okay. The lime orange. Literally 1, 2, 3.
That
The
looks
lime
like a
orange.
traffic light.
The lime orange. The, what's it? Bright orange like the sun. Okay, for my blush, I'm using Barely There lipstick by Essence.
You should
Cut
with
it
your
out.
finger. No, okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Wait, you're not in the camera? Oops, always pay attention to what you do.
Rookie era. Rookie era.
It doesn't even look like you put anything on.
Ah!
No,
That's how I
wrong.
put blush on.
But look at the camera. Does it look? You look like you put nothing on.
You can see it. Maybe I should put more blush on. Do you think so?
It's pigmented.
Do you know what that means? Even?
It means it's got a bright color.
Oh my word! The stuff just keeps coming.
Okay, that's better, hey?
Yes.
What am I doing?
Should
Left-handed eyeliner. Yeah.
No, no mirror eyeshadow. Do you put eyeliner on with the eyeshadow?
Yes. There we go. This is it. It doesn't even have a name. It's just a black stick. I have to do this with my left hand. Oh lordy.
Really? It can have got any better than this.
I may not have an eye at the end of this.
Why did I get this shit one? Okay, so what I'm going for is like a leopard split eye. It's patchy. You're sweating. You didn't do a bad job.
Yeah. Right, this is now the typical. Please look at what my arms are doing. Anyway,
Don't bite
that's
me.
probably as good as it's gonna get, people. Right, mascara yet?
You can carry on.
No.
Have you got any challenges left?
No,
No, mascara was normal.
done. I'm done. Done! Yay!
We're gonna do everything. I'm gonna finish my eyeliner. It's gonna do mascara, and then when we come back for my lipstick challenge, we'll be right back.
I'm done. Just lipstick left. I'm waiting for Miss Slowpokes over here.
Okay, I forgot I have to do my green underneath, but so far, not horrible. But now I have to do the green underneath.
That actually looks really nice with the green underneath.
I told you she wouldn't make it look
I
bad.
would wear that. Okay, not underneath, on top though.
I'm gonna put in, I think, some dark liner in my waterline and some mascara. Maybe you can save it.
Same.
Oh my god, it's
She'll be back. She's just doing her eyeliner. Okay, lipstick time. The rule is, this is what Jodie said to me, or has taught all of us, if you've been watching this channel. If you have a neutral eye, then you have to wear a bold lip.
Yes.
There we go.
Done. So yeah, I think.
Anyway, what am I using? Your guess is
Wet
as
n
good as
Wild.
mine. Wait till then.
Wild.
Mm.
I forgot the name on the bottom.
Cherry bomb, isn't it?
Dark wine.
Okay, so I have to talk while I'm doing this. I think I'm just gonna go in with NYX's Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee.
Why don't you talk about the fun
that's
adventure that we've had?
I can't talk about that.
Keep it above the belt though.
Okay.
Done.
Alright, so I'm putting on my lipstick while I'm talking, and today is overcast and
It's not even hard for you.
and afterwards I'll be going nowhere, ha ha. And that's making me feel like I have nothing to say because I have to say something.
About Japan.
Ooh, a nice series to watch is The Handmaid's Tale or The Help.
Very good.
It's not actually called The Help, but
It's called The Handmaid's
I
Tale.
just can't get it right.
It's a Netflix series. Free advertising, we need to get paid. Just saying.
Okay, done. Done. Ta-da! So, if you want to see more of Ashley on our channel, then tell us below. And also, if she was a bit shit and you don't want to see her, also let us know. And if you like these challenge videos, let us know, we can do more of them. And thanks for coming on our channel, man. I might invite you back.
Well, we'll see.
She's got her own successful life going on. Okay, as always, give us a thumbs up. That's when you put your thumb up. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. What's that face?
I think you say best.
Looks like